Today we'll be looking at the Fitbit Charge 6 and the Fitbit Inspire 2. Let's start with the Fitbit Charge 6. It's a small and slim, smart fitness tracker with a sports-style strap that can be swapped for different designs. The watch comes with many features that help you better understand your body's needs, like heart rate monitoring, fitness tracking with over 40 sports modes, daily step counts, stress and sleep schedules. It can also be linked with supported exercise equipment for real-time data displays on the machine's screens. The Fitbit Charge 6 is dust and water resistant, and it has an impressive battery life of up to 7 days. This is the Fitbit Inspire 2. It's a small and sleek, smart fitness tracker with a sports-style strap. Just like the Charge 6, the Fitbit Inspire 2 sensors allow you to track your sleep, heart rate, steps, and workouts. It's dust and water resistant, and it has an impressive battery life of up to 10 days. And like the Charge 6, its wrist strap is customizable to suit your style. Overall though, both smartwatches deliver very similar features in both stylish and comfortable form factors.